G'day folks, long time no update. Well, I've been at Brad's place and I stupidly forgot to bring my camera charger. So I don't have an awful lot of footage from there, but I'll try and piece something decent together. I didn't get much and then I realised I forgot my charger. So it doesn't matter, it's his place and his video session, which worked out quite well. Went trash picking a lot, got a lot of stuff to blow up, which you'll see on his site. I'll put lots of links in. Found a new landline phone for my workshop because the other one stopped ringing in. Wouldn't sound the ringtone. A very unhappy looking LCD, probably fixable, I don't know. Either the driver board might be trashed or the power supply is probably putting out bad dirty power that's confusing it. I'll pull it to bits and find out. It's got a DVD player in it too. It's kind of neat. So I've got that to mess around with. I picked the industrial toasters up about a week ago before, so we'll have some fun toasting stuff with them. Jag towed well for the first time too. I put the tow bar on it. All nicely cleaned up, repainted, new bolts all the way down. That went in quite well actually. I didn't film it because it was just frustrating the hell out of me. I didn't feel like it, but once it was done, yeah, very nice. Just got to do those rear brakes because towing all this stuff home really taxed them a bit. I've got two big water pumps. These are cooling tower pumps. Brad services cooling towers, and these were just pull-outs. Same with that blower there from something, a factory blower or something like that. Big 2-pole one, high speed. Just various scrap metal. We trashed a lot of motors that night. 2 nights actually. Vacuum motors and shit. I'll post links to those videos. And we also found 2 more washing machines. Neither of which we could run there or modify. This one's been parted out. It's an ASCO Sweden made one. Metal inner and outer drums. That's an LG direct drive, which I couldn't modify or run. Stainless steel inner and outer drums as well. Yeah, this one's been fully stripped. There's no controls, there's no nothing in it, no motor. Yeah, and funny thing is the door and everything's one part with the drum. There's no lip seal like these. These ones here float independent. So yeah, it stinks in there, but I'll find out what's wrong with it because it's in really good condition. It'd be worth more to fix it up and sell it and use it to fund another project than it would to just destroy it. Especially since I can't run those BLDC direct drive motors anyway. And their original inverters always take a shit as soon as you try and overspeed them or do something silly. Photonic Induction did a good video on that. He's tried it and it didn't work. So better off fixing that one. Use it as a job financer. Assuming it's fixable. If not, I'll find some way to probably set it on fire and make it spin. I'll just wrap a belt around the direct drive flywheel. Same with this one. I'll attach a belt to it on its metal motor mounts and everything, and probably spin it up with some big holes bored in the outer drum and just turn it into a flaming inferno. Who knows? Might even stick an inner tube inside it and do a hydrostatic pop. That is, vacuum all the air out of the tube and then connect it up to a pressure washer through, say, drill a hole through here as an access port, make the drum stationary, and just stuff a high pressure hose in there, screw it onto the valve stem, pull a vacuum, swap over to the pressure cleaner and then turn on the power. Reason for hydrostatic testing is simply because compressed air would send pieces flying all over the backyard and probably through the walls of the house. Make this much volume explode with compressed air, it would be quite devastating to the houses nearby. But hydrostatic, you don't get that. That's why it's always best to test gas bottles and pressure vessels by removing all air or vapour or whatever's in them, and then yes, pressurise them with water. And you just go like 150% of their rated pressure. If they don't pop or expand or do anything silly, you're good to go. You look it up on Google anyway, hydrostatic testing or pressure testing. Ugh. That one's seen a lot of loads. There's a few controls still in there. Anywho, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. I've got to get all this crap off the trailer first. It is heavy, I can't even get it any further in. Yes, just scrap metal to dump at this scrapyard. The Newtek LCD had a big boot print in the front of it and cracked glass, so we just destroyed it. I kept the power supply and the drive board out of it. Only thing that was wrong with it was a few caps in the power supply. When I saw that, that was just disappointing. But, oh well. It had been out in the weather and someone had decided to walk past and kick it.